So we're under the hood of the 72 Continental Mark IV. This is Ford's big block 460 engine. It's been in the shop for almost 8-9 months, but I got it back. As you can see, it has a new radiator, new water pump, new clutch fan, new belts, new timing. That's been advanced to the Mark III 71 timing with the timing cover, new harmonic balancer, valve cover gaskets, fuel pump, starter solenoid battery, still need to get the AC looked at. Tried to recharge it and it didn't. It's not holding the charge for whatever reason. Go ahead, start it up. It's a loud sucker, that's for sure. It still has an exhaust leak coming from the exhaust manifold. And I know it has a slight trans leak as well. Still think the power steering is a leak somewhere. Not sure if we need a hose, because I think this is just the reservoir. That's the Saginaw power steering pump. Rev it up. Turn it on. So just want to show it up for a second. I know the cruise control doesn't work, and also it has a leak. It has a vacuum leak with the headlights and the parking brake actuator. It always hisses when you take it out of park. It's fine, and then when you put it to drive, it hisses. So I know that affects the drivability as well. But yep, this is the Ford big block. It just hit 98,000 miles. I'm gonna paint those, the air cleaner and the valve covers. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.